Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Make sure your phone and Chromecast share the same Wi-Fi and that Google Home is installed and updated. Open Google Home and locate the Chromecast card. Tap it to reveal device controls. Once done, you'll see a large device view with a remote icon and media status. Tap the remote to connect. This is the direct control path rather than juggling third-party apps. Make sure notifications and microphone permissions are allowed so the app can discover and control playback reliably. Once connected, use the built-in remote in Google Home to navigate, D-pad for selection, back and home to move around, and the input button to switch sources. You can open a text field on the TV and the phone's keyboard appears. That's faster than the on-screen keyboard. For apps like YouTube or Netflix, tap the cast icon in the app and choose your Chromecast to start streaming. This hands-off playback while the home remote still controls play, pause, and volume, keeping everything in sync. To finish, use the cast icon in the Source app and choose Stop Casting, or open Google Home and tap the Stop button on the device card. If controls fail, restart the Chromecast and your phone, and restart the router if needed. That often clears discovery issues. Make sure Google Home and Chromecast firmware are updated, and both devices are on the same SSID. Different SSIDs, guest networks, or VPNs block control. One reliable troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable VPN on your phone and retry discovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.